Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Okay, today we are discussing our last video, the new indicator that catch spikes and also trades candle. It's that very simple, guys. Okay, so let us now look at how to use this robot again. Sorry, the indicator. Okay, now let us watch it right closely here. If you see my chart right now, if you watch my chart, you will see the main window, which comprises of the arrow, the circle green and circle red, arrow red, and also the customized MACD. You also see the window indicator that has the OS, which is awesome oscillator, and the lines on it. Okay, your first entry is that you look for that window indicator to cross below. You see where I mark a red, something like that. So let there be a cross of the red and the green. Okay, when that cross happened, okay, the next thing that you want to check for it to cross the awesome oscillator above, right? The next thing also, we are going to be looking at the customized MACD on the main chart. Let it cross from red to green, or is it that is not red, that is a brown color to green. So when it crosses to green, then you will see a circled green. Okay, so the circled green there is actually your entry confirmation. That is your entry confirmation. All right, but that does not mean that other ones is not valid. All other ones must have taken place before you respect the green circle. Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys. That is actually how simple to use that awesome indicator to trade the candles and to catch spike. Now, and our advice, you pick up to 10 to 20 candlesticks once you take an entry. Yeah, it is sure that once you take entry, you must pick up to 10 to 50 to 20 candlesticks, and that is certain. We have proven it and have been tested it, and it is really right working. Okay, now that is just how simple. If you get the indicator and you install it on the chart, you will see just everything clearly, more clearly than you ever expected. You will see everything very clearly right there, right? It's very clear. The indicator is self explanatory, because as you can see there, is everything is just simple. Now see, let us find another entry. Look at this point now. Look at this particular point right now, right? You see that we already have a cross on the OS, and the green and the red crossed below there, and we also have the change from red to let me use an arrow. Let us look for an arrow so that we can use it to actually do this. So let's see whether we can see an arrow. So we use it to analyze these stuffs. And now we get our arrow. Now look at the cross we are talking about. See that cross of the green and the red, right? Yeah, right here. Like I said earlier, the green line The green circle arrow is actually the entry confirmation. That is our entry confirmation. Now look at this chart now, right? You see that green at the top at the main chart. We take entry at that point because we have seen that every other one has met. The main chart, the window indicator has crossed, the red has turned to green, and we saw that green circle. So we take entry there, even though we take entry and we got a small spike, because everything here had already given us what we needed. We were not afraid of that spike. And what happened? The market came back, right, and give us our candlesticks. Like I said earlier, I would recommend you taking 10 to 20 candlesticks once you make an entry. Once you make an entry, you are expected to take 10 to 20 candlesticks, and it's certain. Now that is just how simple, guys. This is just how simple it can be if only you follow the principles of operation. Now see as well here, see here too, we had a very clear entry point here. We have a very clear entry point. There is a cross of the OS oscillator, and the main chart also, there's a cross and the green came out. What happened? We grabbed that great move. See also in the other entry as well, we had the cross, and then we have the circled green. That is all you need to do. Out of 10 trade you take, out of 10 trade you take in a day, only like you will have more wins, about 8 or 9 wins, only 1 loss. Now you can also catch spike with this indicator very well. Now look at that circled red, the main chart. You can catch spike once you see a circled red. That is an entry for a sell. So it is just entry, vice versa to the buy. And this is crash. Let's check on crash 300, right? Now you could see that what's happening right at this moment we are doing the video. You could see all of that is a sell. So this is crash 300. You see the green circled that appeared, and the cross from the customized MACD to green, and the window indicator also has also dropped. That is very simple, guys, and we have gotten our up to 20 candlesticks right as that is just how simple as that. Now look at more entries here. Look at more entries here, guys. Look at more entries here. So if you want to get the indicator, you just get the video from the indicator from me, and then let us actually run on how to install this indicator on your chart. Like if you have bought the indicator from me, you go to the file at the top side, you click on that file, and a page will show up. You click on MQL, you can open the data folder, or click on MQL5, then click on indicators. Now here it will show you this list of indicators you already have. You paste the one you copied. I will send it to you on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or email address. So from there you just download it and paste it right here, right? If it is zip, you just unzip it. Now you close that place, and you now come to your navigator, find indicator, then you right click on it and click on refresh. This will refresh your indicator library, so that you will see it right there. Or you can actually off your system, right? You can just close the MT5 and restart your system, or refresh your system and come back. Right, to install it, just open a new tab, right, and drag the indicator one and drop. You can see that you drag the indicator and you drop it on the main chart, right? It will automatically set itself for you. Now this is the first indicator that you are going to get when you drag and drop, right? Now you need to now drag the second one too and drop it as well. So once you drop that one too, you get something like this. Yeah, all right. You can actually change the color of your indicator so I can see it clearly. If you want to change your color, you can just change the color before you click on OK, and you change your color to something else. But I like it the way it is. Okay, that is just simple as that. Now look at here. Now we have crash boom 300. You see, it to sell also is the vice versa of the buy. You wait for the second red to drop, and from the green to red, the customized MACD changing from green to red, and you see that we're already going some pips ahead. Right now, at same time also, that's just how simple, very simple that can be. Okay, now let us look for another entry position. Let us actually look for another entry right now. Now see here too, we had the change from green to red on the MACD, right? And also on the customized OS and the window indicator, you see it crossing downside, you see, and then you also have the customized green red circle that dropped. That's just how simple. If you see the chart, you see how excellent it is. How excellent it is, guys. Just watch it closely and you get to see what we are talking about here. Now to get the video, to get this indicator, it's very simple. Just check on this video description, you will see the link to my profile, and get it now at 90% discount. Remember, you get it today at 90% discount. As that simple. Just check on the video description, you will see the link to my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp number. So very soon this price is going to go back to its normal price, and I wish I don't want that to happen to you guys. Okay, so this can be this can catch spike, it can trade candles, as I've seen it here. More videos of it is going to be dropping as soon, very soon. Many times it will be dropping. So guys, you don't want to miss out at this particular offer, right? You will see the buy we got here. You see the buy, the massive buy. Only if you had the boat at this point, you could have got that boat, right? I remain humble. Until then, I remain humble, guys. Enjoy.